Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On the menu we have curry gizzard. The gizzard is slow cooked till tender in a curry sauce filled with diverse flavors. Let's get started. For this recipe, the star ingredients are the gizzard and the curry spice. So here I have my gizzard, which is clean. I will season it with diced onion, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, thyme, cumin, turmeric, paprika powder, curry powder, shrimp cubes, salt, and chili powder. Make sure the gizzard is seasoned to perfection in diverse spices and seasonings. So what I'm doing right now is to make sure the gizzard is well coated in the dry wrap by mixing everything together nicely. In my skillet, I will add oil. When it becomes hot, I will go in with my curry powder. This method right here is known as the burning process of the curry powder, which helps release better flavor and color of the curry powder. Next, I will go in with my yellow diced onion. The onions are fried to my preference. I will now go in with my well-seasoned gizzard and cook it. You can buy your gizzard at halal markets. For heat, I will add 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 1 bay leaf, and pimento seeds. Then mix till it's well combined. Once it's well combined, I will pour enough water to cover the gizzard and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for an hour or till tender on medium heat. Make sure to check on the gizzard occasionally, just to make sure to add more water if required. That's when it's cooked down. After 40 minutes of the gizzard boiling or cooking, go in with your gravy. So I just added mine. It's the combination of water, light soy sauce, and cornflour. Then allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, go in with your vegetables. That's if you're using any. If not, just allow it to simmer for another 10 minutes. So I just added my chopped finger chilies and mixed vegetables. I will mix till it's well combined. Then let the sauce cook down. At this point, I will go in with my shrimp cubes. Mix till it's well combined. Then allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Food is ready and it's time to plate. Enjoy this sauce with a bowl of rice and peas. I have this recipe, which is the rice and peas. I will leave a link down below, so check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give this sauce a try. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.